Hello. The purpose of this project is to generate basically checks for printing. So we have a list of check numbers, first and last names, amounts, and the date for the check. And we want to generate all of these checks in a PDF file ready for printing so that we can send just one command for printing, and we want all of the checks to be printed. So we have a custom menu here that allows us to open a sidebar in this window, and when I run it for the first time, it will ask for my authorization. And when I authorize the script, so it opens the sidebar and it generates the HTML content for those checks, and from there it creates a PDF for all of these. It already has the signatures, and the format has been accurately designed for the for being printed on bank checks. It also contains a summary for each of the checks so that we can keep it for our own record. So I can click on print and it will send it to the printer, or we can save it as a PDF for later printing. So let me know what you think about this project. Thank you very much. Bye.